Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for second standard students. Yes children, as you people know, in the previous topic we have completed the opposite words in the grammar. So let us have one glance over it. You all can open page number 59 in your textbook. So here they have given some of the words, that is dry, wet, hot, cold, rich, poor, false, true, yes, no, light, dark, weak, strong, narrow, wide, difficult, easy, love, cry. The next is high, low, white, black, raw, reap, tall, short, push, pull, thin, thick, day, night, more, less, come, go, in, out, beautiful, ugly, kind, unkind, many, few, foolish, wise, sweet, sour, big, small, sharp, blunt, hard, soft, loose, tight, empty, full, first, last, right, left, smooth, rough, straight, crooked, shallow, deep, young, old. Yes, this was the chapter that I have completed yesterday. This was the chapter that I have completed yesterday. Now today I am here with a new topic in the grammar children, that is a farm. Farm is what children? What is a farm? Farm andre ಏನು? Tota. Yes, you say I have been to my farm, many fruit trees are there, many vegetables are there. You buy and bring all the vegetables and fruits from the market, na children? Yes. You buy fruits, you buy vegetables, you buy wheat, jawar, everything you buy. Yes or no? But when they come in the market, from where do they come? Who grows all those things? Yes, a farmer. Who grows children? A farmer. He grows all fruits and vegetables. Yes or no? Crops. All the crops are grown by the farmer. Where the farmer will grow all these crops, children? Where he will grow? In the house only? No. He will grow in the shop? No. He grows in the field. Yes or no? He has his own field. He grows all the crops, all the fruits, all the vegetables in the field, children. Yes? And then he will sell them into the market. And how we will buy? We go to the market and we buy the vegetables and fruits and then we eat them. Yes, we cook and we eat them. So here today we are going to learn the topic in the grammar is a farm. So here they have given some picture of the farm, children. Yes or no? They have given one picture and in that picture we can see many things are there. Yes, many things are there which are grown, which are fixed there. What all arrangement is made in that farm to grow the crops, we are going to learn today. Now just I will show you a picture, children. Okay? Yeah. So you can see, children, what is the question, children, here? Look at the picture and complete the sentences given below it. So here you can see, children, this is the picture they have given. See, so many things we can see, children. First we will go with this old man. Yes, this old man is the owner of the farm. Okay, who is he? He is the owner of this farm, or we can see he is a very good caretaker of this farm. And here you can see the man is digging the mud here. What is he using? He is using an axe. For what? To dig the mud. And here you can see this is a bunch of the flowers. The tree is grown. Yes or no? And these all are flowers. And here you can see these are fruits. What are these, children? Fruits. There are banana, watermelon, mango, orange, apple, grapes. See, so many fruits are there. Here also a fruit is grown on the tree. You can see, children, this is fruit or potato? It is a fruit. Yes, you can see here a man is standing. Yes, and here you can see here these are what? Cows or buffaloes? Cows. Yes, these are, the man is taking those bullocks and he is working in the field. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಬೀಜ ಬಿತ್ತೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಆ ಹಳಿ ಕಸನ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ನೆಲನ ಸಮ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ, ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ he is making a rows to sow the seeds with the help of the bullocks. And here you can see a man is pouring the water in the bucket. Yes, what he is doing, children? He is pouring the water. Yes, you can see here. And here there is a well. From where he is taking the water? He is taking the water from the well and he is pouring the water in the bucket. And where is the well, children? It is at the corner of the field. See here, the front again no picture is there. It is at the corner of the field. And here, what is this white color, children? Fence. What is this? Fence. Why they fix that? So no other animals or no other people should enter the farm or the cottage. To keep the farm safe, they build this fence. And what is this, children? This is the house of the cows and buffaloes. Shed. What we call for that? Shed. This is the house of the cows and buffalo. And here you can see there are many big trees. Here you can see there are green bushes. Yes or no? Here you can see there are the mountain. This is the sky. Yes or no? And this is the cottage. The house which is built with woods in the field is called as a cottage. What we call? We call it as a cottage. So now, related to this picture only, children, they have given some sentences. Yes or no? Here you can see, children, the green grass is grown here. Here you can see in front of the cottage there are flower plants. What are they? Flower plant. And the old man, he takes care of each and everything here. And you see, children, how many men are working here, children? How many men are working? Yes, how many men are working? Can you tell me? See here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many men are working? 4 men are working. And what are grown in the farm here? Fruits and flowers. Fruits and flowers are grown in the farm. What the man is doing here? The man is pouring water. The man is pouring water. Yes or no? Where is the well? The well is at the corner of the field. You can see the well is at the corner of the field. Yes. And what is fixed there surrounding the farm? A fence. It is fixed all through the surrounding of the farm. And what is this, children? This is the shed of the cows and buffaloes. Yes, where the animals can take rest after the work is completed. Now, how you people go home and stay in home at night, children? Yes or no? Full day you come to school. Full day your parents go to work. But after work, where they come? They come to home. Where you go? You go to home. Then where you stay? You stay in the home only. Yes, you take rest. Yeah? It is the shade for you people. So same way, when animals, they work whole day in the field, even they too need rest. So this is the house of the buffaloes and cows, and it is called as what? Shed. What we call? Called as shed. And you can see, this is the house which is built with woods. Kattike. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ, ಮರದ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆಗಳು. Yes, with the help of that, this small cottage, what we call for this? Cottage. This house is called as a cottage. Yes, this is the small cottage where you take rest in the field. We can take rest in the field. Okay, and here you can see these all are the vegetables, fruits, flowers grown in the field. Now what they have said, look at the picture and complete the sentences given below. Yes children, with the help of this picture we have to. Here children, now we are going to solve the fill in the blanks. So first I'll write, look at the picture. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Complete the sentences given below it. The old man has a he is caretaker of the farm. Now second, they are given bullocks. What they are given? Bullocks. So what the bullocks were doing? The bullocks are pulling the plough. The bullocks follow. The well. Where is the well children there in the picture? The well is at the corner of the field. The well is at the corner of the field. Of the field. The cottage is surrounded by the fence. The cottage is surrounded the next fourth one, fifth one. 4 men work in the farm. In the farm. The next. Fruits and flowers are grown in the farm. Fruits and flowers grown in the farm. 7. The man pours water. The man pours water in the bucket. Yes children, this was the today's work that we have completed. Or I write it correctly. sentences or one word they are given. With the help of that word and those incomplete sentence, we have completed the sentences. So you all have to write this in your textbook, not in your notebook. Yes, you can see the picture and write in your textbook and send me the photocopy of this story. You write and then you send me the photocopy of this story on the school app. Thank you children. Have a great day.